Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something really unique and eye-catching. The 2025 retro-style electric tricycle camper. This is not your average RV or travel trailer. It's compact, it's stylish, and it brings a serious dose of nostalgia with modern functionality packed into a small, efficient design. Let's start with the exterior. Right away, you'll notice the camper's bold, all-light blue finish that gives it a refreshing and playful vibe. It's got this beautifully rounded vintage body that looks like it came straight out of a classic European travel postcard. But don't let its size fool you. It's built with premium materials and smart engineering. The bubble-style front windshield and those two rounded headlights give it a soft. Now, what makes this camper even more special is where we're seeing it today. Inside a luxury showroom. Under those sleek overhead lights, the body glistens and reflects off the polished marble floor, giving it this upscale, high-design look that really stands out. The camper feels more like a designer piece than a typical vehicle. All right, now let's talk about the interior, because this is where things get cozy and clever. Despite its small size, the layout makes excellent use of every inch. Inside, you're greeted with warm yellow ambient lighting that gives the space an inviting, almost magical glow. It's like stepping into a tiny retro lounge. There's a sofa-style seat running along one side, upholstered in a soft, muted blue fabric. It's comfortable enough for relaxing, and it can convert into a small bed when you're ready to sleep. In front of the seating, there's a compact, foldable wooden table, just big enough to enjoy a meal, set up a laptop, or sip your morning coffee. The interior walls are finished with smooth, light wood paneling that keeps the look clean and bright. There's even a little mouse-themed cushion and subtle decor details that tie in with the camper's cheerful personality. What's really impressive is how it balances charm and practicality. The lighting, the sofa bed setup, and the efficient use of vertical space, it's all designed for real-world use, not just show. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or someone who just loves the idea of stylish micro-camping, this trike camper is an absolute gem. So, what do you think? Would you hit the road in something this compact and cool? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what kind of adventure you'd take it on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss our latest unique vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.